In this lesson, we're covering Facebook ad formats, specifically which formats we use, when to use each format depending on your campaign strategy, and how to decide between images, videos, carousels, and slideshows. By the end of this lesson, you will know which ad format to use and why, instead of just guessing. So step number one is you want to head over to the Facebook Ads Manager and you want to create a campaign. So inside the Ads Manager, you want to click on the green button right here to create a campaign. Click on that and then choose cells. And after that, you want to go to the ad level. In the ad setup, you will see these formats. If you scroll down a little bit, Advantage plus catalog ads, which means show each person products when your catalog and they are most likely to engage with. But we'll select manual upload here. Facebook usually defaults to carousel, but let's walk through each format in order. So the first format we want to cover in this lesson is single image ads. So single image ads are simple and they're fast and still incredibly effective. Don't let anyone tell you images don't work. So to do this, you want to scroll down to Add Creative and then click on Setup Creative, and then you can either add image or video. We'll select image for now, click on Next, and then select the images from the media, and then next, and you can select the crop for placements here as well. And you can also click on Next, and then you can add your primary text here. You can also add your headline, description, and call to action from here as well. You can also do some enhancements here using the Advantage Plus creative enhancements, and then click on Done once everything is ready. So you'll see your ad preview from here. And you can still add primary text here. You can also change your headline, description, and call to action. You can change the call to action, but we'll keep it as is for now. So this one is best for direct to offer campaigns, e-commerce products, simple products that are easy to understand at a glance and getting started quickly without waiting for video production. So why these works? Because people are usually scrolling fast. So if your product is clear and obvious, an image lets them decide instantly whether they are interested, or if it looks good, then they will click to learn more. So here's a tip for you. You want to use square images for feeds, vertical for stories. Facebook lets you customize formats per placement. Now let's move on to the next format, which is the carousel ads. So carousel lets you display multiple cards, each with its own image and headline. So this one is best for showing multiple products at once and also displaying different colors, styles, or of one product, and also increasing average order value, AOV. So customers see more options, and also works for services, showing different services or features. You want to use carousels when your audience is likely to like several things you offer, and not just one. Moving on to number 3, which is the slideshow ads. So to do this, you want to select a single image or video. And you want to upload the images, then click on the edit and select turn into video. So to do this, you want to select single image or video. You can select the images from here and then click on the edits and select turn into video from here. This is perfect when you don't have a video yet, but you want movement to grab attention. And this is best for direct to offer campaigns, highlighting one main product plus supporting images or text, and also turning static photos into motion-based ads quickly. So the reason why this works is because movement stops the scroll. You often get better results than a plain static image with almost zero extra work. Last but not least, format number 4, video ads. Video is the king format, but that doesn't mean it's always the right choice first. So this is best for education-based content, omnipresence content campaigns like brand or value and call to action. And this is also good for explaining innovative or complex products, also demonstrations, testimonials, founder talking to camera style. Where your video may not be ideal is when you want a simple e-commerce product where people don't want to watch a clip just to understand product. The official data from Facebook shows that on average you can get up to 16% more conversions when you run multiple ad formats simultaneously, rather than only choosing the one that looks best for your business. Because some users respond better to video, some prefer quick images, and Facebook learns which formats works with which users. So instead of running only video or only image, run 2 to 3 formats at once. All right, let's summarize what we have done so far. Single image, and this is best for simple offers, e-commerce, fast testing. The second one is carousel, and this is best for product ranges, multiple styles, boosting AOV. The next one is slideshow, and this is good for movement without editing, easy upgrades from images. And the last one is video, and this is good for teaching, demonstrating, and storytelling or authority building. All right, that's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Facebook learning phase. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.